Hi everyone, we're going to find the volume of the solid that lies between the planes perpendicular to the x-axis at x equals 0, x equals 1. The cross sections are semicircles whose diameters run from the curves y equals x cubed and y equals x. I'm going to do a sketch of this, try to make it as big as possible so we can see. So I'm going to go from 0 to 1, and that means we need to go from 0 to 1 on the y, because if you set these equal to each other, that'll be 0 to 1. So here's your y equals x line, and then your y equals x cubed is going to intersect at 1 here. So I'm just going to swing this out a bit, do a little sketch here. All right, so the planes perpendicular to the x-axis are going to be this semicircle here. So basically, this is going to be your diameter, and here is your semicircle here. All right, and what we're going to do to find the volume is first find the area, and then we're going to then integrate to find the volume. So this is the shaded region in here. All right, so basically, let's look at our diameter right here. Now the diameter is just going to be, this is y equals x cubed. Just take your x minus your x cubed. Always kind of go from up to bottom, like that, from the top to bottom. So that means your radius is going to be x minus x cubed divided by 2. We're going to use our formula, a of x. All right, and so your area of r is 1/2 pi r squared, because we're doing the semicircles. All right, so this is going to be pi divided by 2, and then your r is x minus x cubed divided by 2 squared for the square part. All right, now when you square the 2, you're going to get a 4. So this is going to equal pi divided by 2 times 1/4, and then we're going to square the numerator. That's going to be x minus x cubed times x minus x cubed. All right, this is going to give you 1/8. So we're going to have area of x equals pi divided by 8. And then when you FOIL this out, you're going to get x squared minus 2x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 6. All right, now we can find the volume. And we're going to use a cross-sectional area formula to get the volume. So we had our area of x equals pi divided by 8 times x squared minus 2x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 6. So all you do is integrate this. The volume is going to equal, and we're going from 0 to 1, of pi divided by 8 times x squared minus 2x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 6 dx. All right, when you integrate this, we're going to get, let's bring out the pi divided by 8. So we have pi divided by 8, x cubed divided by 3 minus 2x to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus x to the power of 7 divided by 7. And we're evaluating it from 0 to 1. Luckily, we only have to use the 1. So when you substitute in 1, you're going to get pi divided by 8 times 1/3 minus 2/5 plus 1/7. All right. And then you can use a calculator or do some simplifying here. So one way to do this is get your common denominator. We can do this by 1 divided by 3 times 35 divided by 35 minus 2 divided by 5 times 21 divided by 21 plus 1/7 times 15 divided by 15. However you get your common denominator. And this is going to give you pi divided by 8. And your denominator is 105. So that's going to be 35 minus 42 plus 15. And simplify further. This is going to give you, let's see, pi divided by 8. And then you'll have 50 minus 42 divided by 105. And this is going to be equal to pi divided by 8. You're going to have 8 divided by 105. So these two 8's cancel. And you're going to get volume equals pi divided by 105 cubic units. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.